a brief history and evolution of UI UX design. Good evening everyone, my name is Carmendel Angeles and I'm delighted to be here today to share with you an exploration into the fascinating words of UI UX design. Into this digital age where our interactions with technology are ubiquitous and understanding the evolution of user interface, UI and user experience UX design is not just variable, it's essential. As we embark on this journey together to invite you to join me in uncovering the rich temporary of the history that has shaped the way we interact with digital products and service, from the humble beginning of the command line interface to the sleek and intuitive interface of modern smartphone. The evolution of UI UX design is a statement to the human creativity, innovation, and the relentless pursuit and exacting user experiences. Throughout this presentation, we'll delve into key milestone, pivotal moment, and influential trends that have defined the trajectory of UI UX design over the decade, from the birth of graphical user interface GUIs to the dawn of the mobile revolution and beyond. Each phase in the evolution of UI UX design has left indelible mark on the digital landscape. But beyond just exploring the past, we'll also examine the present state of UI UX design and peek into the future where emerging technologies and shifting paradigms promise to redefine how we interact with technology in the year to come. So whether you're a seasoned UX designer, a serious enthusiast, or simply someone intrigued by the intersection of design and technology, I hope this presentation will inspire thought-provoking discussions, inspire creative insights, and defend our appreciation for the art and science of UI UX design. With further ado, let's embark on your journey through the brief history and evaluation of UI UX design. Thank you.